Oh, Harmony 100, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. You know what? In this video, I'm talking about the Harmony 1 coin, and a lot of people ask me question about Harmony, that what should we do in this critical situation? Is it always time to buy? Is it always time to sell? Is it always time to hold? In this video, my friends, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, please, my friends, click the subscribe button and like this video. In this time, if we look the latest price update of the Harmony, so the latest price of the Harmony is 0.082359 USD dollar is the latest price of the Harmony. On the other side, if we look the price changes of the Harmony, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend, only the last 60-minute price change is positive, except of this the previous changes of the Harmony is completely negative. So if the price change is negative, so this means that you are in the loss, my friends. Let me show you the latest price update of the, oh my goodness, in this time the Harmony start a quick jump, my friends. That is the last 60-minute price update, and you can see here from this price chart you can easily understand that Harmony take a quick jump, my friends. That is the quick jump, and I hope that they will continue this pump for a long time, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Harmony? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. So my friends, at this time the price changes is going positive, so and the previous changes is negative, so that's mean that if the previous changes is still negative, so you are in the loss, my friends. So for profit, my friends, you have to hold for a long time, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Harmony? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.